Welcome to Alpha Beta Tutorial Science Quiz. Today's challenge is all about basic electronics. Get ready to test your brain with exciting questions on electronics. Can you score 20 out of 20? Pause the video if you need more time and comment your score at the end. Let the electronics quiz challenge begin. 1. A conductor is a material that has A. High resistance and low conductivity. B. Low conductivity and high resistivity. C. High conductivity and low resistivity. D. Equal conductivity and resistivity. The answer is C. High conductivity and low resistivity. 2. Which of the following is a good conductor of electricity? A. Rubber. B. Glass. C. Wood. D. Copper. The answer is D. Copper. 3. Increasing the temperature of a metallic conductor generally. A. Increases its resistance. B. Decreases its resistance. C. Stops electron movement completely. D. Converts it into a semiconductor immediately. The answer is A. Increases its resistance. 4. Doping in semiconductors is done to A. Increase conductivity. B. Reduce the size of the semiconductor. C. Remove holes. D. Stop current flow. The answer is A. Increase conductivity. 5. An intrinsic semiconductor is a semiconductor that A. Has many impurities. B. Is chemically inactive. C. Is in pure form. D. Conducts like copper. The answer is C. Is in pure form. 6. In a p-type semiconductor, the majority charge carriers are A. Electrons. B. Neutrons. C. Protons. D. Holes. The answer is D. Holes. 7. Which impurity is added to germanium to produce an N-type semiconductor? A. Indium. B. Boron. C. Phosphorus. D. Aluminium. The answer is C. Phosphorus. 8. The impurity added to a p-type semiconductor is called a ion. A. Donor impurity. B. Acceptor impurity. C. Neutral impurity. D. Metallic impurity. The answer is B. Acceptor impurity. 9. The band in which free electrons move to conduct electricity is called the A. Forbidden band. B. Valence band. C. Energy gap. D. Conduction band. The answer is D. Conduction band. 10. In an insulator, the forbidden gap is usually A. Very narrow. B. Completely absent. C. Very wide. D. Equal to 0. The answer is C. Very wide. 11. A p-n junction is formed by joining A. Two conductors. B. P-type and N-type semiconductors. C. Two insulators. D. Two resistors. The answer is B. p-type and n-type semiconductors. 12. The depletion layer in a p-n junction is formed because of A. Electron-hole recombination. B. Increase in temperature. C. Addition of resistors. D. Magnetic induction. The answer is A. Electron-hole recombination. 13. In forward bias, the p-type side of a diode is connected to the dash terminal of the battery. A. Negative. B. Neutral. C. Positive. D. Earth. The answer is C. Positive. 14. Rectification is the process of converting A. Direct current to alternating current. B. Alternating current to direct current. C. Heat energy to electrical energy. D. Sound energy to electrical energy. The answer is B. Alternating current to direct current. 15. Which electronic component is mainly used for rectification? A. Transistor. B. Capacitor. C. Resistor. D. Diode. The answer is D. Diode. 16. When the temperature of an intrinsic semiconductor increases, its conductivity increases because A. The forbidden gap widens. B. More free electrons and holes are produced. C. The semiconductor becomes an insulator. D. Electrons stop moving randomly. The answer is B. More free electrons and holes are produced. 17. In an n-type semiconductor, the minority charge carriers are A. Electrons. B. Protons. C. Holes. D. Neutrons. The answer is C. Holes. 18. Which of the following statements about a conductor is correct? A. It has no free electrons. B. Its valence band overlaps with the conduction band. C. Its forbidden gap is very wide. D. Its forbidden gap is narrow. The answer is B. Its valence band overlaps with the conduction band. 19. The barrier potential of a p-n junction decreases when the junction is A. Reverse biased. B. Heavily cooled. C. Disconnected from a battery. D. Forward biased. The answer is D. Forward biased. 20. Which of the following statements about reverse bias is correct? A. The depletion layer becomes narrower. B. Majority carriers easily cross the junction. C. The junction resistance becomes high. D. Large current flows freely through the junction. The answer is C. The junction resistance becomes high. Great job completing the electronics quiz challenge. How many questions did you get correct? Write your score in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science quizzes. See you in the next challenge.